So you're sitting there all excited to play your brand new PS5 and suddenly you're hit with an error code, WS-116486-6. What does it even mean? Well, fear not, because today I'm going to show you how to fix this pesky error and can get back to gaming in no time. First things first, let's understand what this error code actually signifies. WS-116486-6 is an error that occurs when your PS5 is unable to connect to the server. This could be due to a variety of reasons, such as a weak internet connection, server maintenance, or even a problem on Sony's end. Now, let's get down to business. The first step you should take is to check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable and reliable network. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or consider using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. If your internet connection seems fine, the next step is to check if the PlayStation Network (PSN) is undergoing maintenance. Sometimes, Sony performs updates or maintenance on their servers, which can temporarily disrupt the connection. You can check the PSN status on their official website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing issues. If there are no reported issues with the PSN, then it's time to troubleshoot your PS5 itself. Start by restarting your console. Simply turn it off, unplug the power cord, wait for a few minutes, and then plug it back in. This can often resolve minor connectivity issues. If the error persists, try resetting your internet router. Unplug the power cord, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help refresh your network connection and potentially fix the problem. If none of these steps work, you may need to consider contacting Sony's customer support. They have a dedicated team that can assist you further and provide specific troubleshooting steps based on your situation. Remember, error codes like WS-116486-6 can be frustrating, but with a little patience and some troubleshooting, you'll be back to gaming in no time. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy gaming!